Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Synchrony Bank. First, open your Google web browser and in the search section, you have to type Synchrony Bank and simply enter it. And on the top results, click on this option. So here we can see we just landed to the Synchrony official homepage, and on the top right corner beside the search icon right here is a login option. You can click here to log in. So here are other options as well for customers. You can log into your credit cards, the Synchrony MasterCard or Synchrony Bank. So click on the Synchrony Bank which is on the bottom. So here we are required with our username as well as your password. So if you have forgotten your username or password, then you can simply click on these two options right here. You can simply click on it here. Simply type your username and password, and you have to click on this sign in so that you can log into your Synchrony Bank. So that is it guys. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.